everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back in Berlin and there are some sunlights. That's why I wanted to make a tutorial since I caught some sunlights. I crocheted leg warmers and I wanted to show also to you how to make it. I really like the color combination with pink, blue, beige and green colors. I will also show the yarns in the description part. I will make some more like warmers with different colors because I like to match with my outfit, and I will share them on my Instagram. If you want to see, you can also connect with me through Instagram. If you want to make one for yourself, please send me some pictures because I'm really being so happy when I see some pictures from different people and some different color combinations. It's also giving me motivation to make the next videos. I would be appreciated if you can also send me DM or tag me in a post when you make after watching this tutorial. If you are struggling with any part, send me a DM. I would be also happy to support you. And now I will show you which materials you need for this beautiful crochet leg warmers. You will need 4mm hook and different color yarns. Make sure that your yarns are fitting with the hook size that you are using. Behind the yarns, always there is a description part of the yarn and they are telling you which knitting needle or which crochet hook you can use. So you can take a look from there. So you can use this kind of yarns in between 3.5 to 4.5 will be totally okay. You also need scissors and tape measurement. I'm starting with slip knot. I'm gonna take my yarn and turn around my finger. And then there is kind of a circle, right? I will get the short part of the yarn and make another circle with pulling through the short yarn inside of the circle and make my first slip knot. With pulling the short part, you can make it also small. And now I will insert my hook from this chain and then yarn over and pull through a loop. Yarn over, pull through another loop. With this way I make my chain. I made 2 chains. All in all, I will make 37 chain. Meet me when you make 37 chain. Now I made my 37 chain and I want to measure. So what I will do is, I will get my chains and go around my leg. So you see it's fitting perfectly. If you have a tinier or thicker leg than mine, then you can decrease or increase. If you have a tinier leg than mine, you can decrease the number. Instead of 37, you can work with less number. If you have a thicker leg than mine, then you can also increase. You can chain more. After I made my chains, I will go back to the first chain that I made. I will insert my hook. And then I will get my yarn over and pull through a loop from the first chain. Did you see? And then pull through another loop from the previous loop. And now I connected them. I made a big circle. So what I will do now is I will make 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then I will work with double crochet. I will yarn over and insert my hook from the first chain. Do you see? There is 2 loops, kind of a V shape. Then yarn over and pull through a loop. There are 3 loops on my hook. And now I will yarn over and pull through a loop from first 2 chains. And then yarn over and pull through a loop from last 2 chains. With that way I made my first double crochet. And now I will yarn over and then insert my hook from the next chain. And then, do you see there's a V shape? Now I will yarn over and pull through a loop. There are 3 loops on my hook. Pull through a loop from first 2 chain. And then pull through another loop from the last 2 chain. I will go all over this row with double crochet. I will yarn over and insert my hook from the next chain and then pull through a loop. pull through another loop from first two, and then pull through a loop from last two. I will go all over the rows with double crochet. Let's meet at the end. So I came till the end and I'm gonna do my last double crochet. And I finished the row. Now I will stitch it. So what I will do is I will come back to the where I started and I will insert my hook from my second chain. And then yarn over and pull through a loop. I will pull through the last loop from the previous one. With that way I stitch them together. And now I will make my second row again with this pink one. So I will make 2 chain, 1 and 2 for building the height, and then turn my work. And now I will yarn over and make my double crochet, first double crochet from the first stitch. As I mentioned to you, there will be a V shape when you insert your hook, and pull through a loop and make my double crochet. So I will continue with the next one. And I will go with the 1 double crochet from each of the stitch. Let's meet at the end of this row. So I came to the end. There is one last chain. I will make my last double crochet. And now I will stitch them the way that I showed you. I will skip first chain, and from the second chain I will insert my hook and pull through a loop. And then pull through the last loop from the previous one. Always I will stitch with this way after every row. And now what I will do is I will change the color. I will get my dark pink color and then make a slip knot. I showed you already how I make a slip knot. You can go back to how to make a slip knot part. And now I will get my work and then put the dark pink chain on my hook, and then I will pull through the dark pink from the previous chain with light pink one. And now I will pull the light pink, and then I will make 2 chain, 1 and 2. And now I will turn my work and make my double crochet with the same way that I showed you. I will yarn over, go to the first stitch and insert my hook and make my double crochet. I'm gonna cut this light pink one and then continue my double crochets. So I will work with double crochet from each of the stitch. So I will continue my double crochet from every stitch, and later I will show you how to hide these parts. I want you to also go through the same way from every stitch, making a double crochet, and then you know how to go to the next row. I will work 13 row with this color combination. I will also write in which row which colors I used, and I will work totally 13 row. I'm in my 3rd row, and after finishing this row I will work 10 more rows. And then I will show you what I'm gonna do. So I worked my 13 row, and for the 14th row I want to make increase. I will show you how I will make my increase. So I will insert my hook again from the light pink one, and then make my 2 chain and then turn the work. In every 6 stitch I will make 2 double crochet. So I will first make my next double crochets till I came to the 6th double crochet. I will make 5 next double crochets. 1, 2, 5 and 6. I made 1 double crochet from each of the stitch till I came to 6th stitch. And now from the 6th one I will make 2 double crochets. So I will yarn over and make my double crochet like from the same stitch. I made my 2 double crochet. This is my increase. From the next 5 one I will work 1 double crochet, and again with the 6th one I will work with 2 double crochet. So I will make my next double crochets. So I came to the 6th double crochet. I will make my first double crochet. So I came to the 6th chain and then make my first double crochet and make my second double crochet from the same stitch. This is my increase. I will go like this till the end. For every 6 I will make 2 double crochet. I came to the end stitch and I'm making my last 2 double crochet. I made my increases. Now I will stitch them. As you know, I will insert my hook from the beginning stitch and then pull through a loop and then pull through this loop from the previous one. So now I made my increases here. And after that, I will change the color to the pink again, like dark pink. I will make my slip knot. And then pull through the dark pink loop from the light pink one and make my 2 chain and then turn it. Now I will make from every stitch 1 double crochet. I already made my increases, and after this row I will always make 1 double crochet for each of the stitch. And I will crochet 7 rows more. Like with this one there will be 7 rows more, and I will show you which colors I worked, so you can use the same colors, or if you want to change the colors you can work with different colors. So I will crochet 7 rows more. So I made my 7th row, and now what I will do is I will make increase again. There will be last 2 rows with increase. I will first chain 2 and then I will make my next 5 double crochet, and in the 6th one I will make an increase. So I will first make my next 5 double crochet. I made my 5 double crochet. I came to the 6th double crochet, and from the 6th chain I will make 3 double crochet from the same chain. 1, insert my hook from the same chain again, and 2nd double crochet, and then last double crochet from the same chain. So I made my increase with 3 double crochet this time from the same chain. Now I will continue like this. I will make next 5 double crochets from each of them, and then when I come to the 6th chain I will make 3 double crochet from the same chain. So I will meet with you at the end of this row. I finished my row, and now I will make my last row. So what I will do is I will chain 2, and then this time I will make the increases from the 8th stitch. So I will make 1 double crochet from each of the stitch till I came to the 8th one. From the 8th I will make 3 double crochet. So I will make my next 7 double crochet. So I made my double crochets from the 7th chain, and now I came to the 8th one, and from the 8th one I will make 3 double crochet from the same one. First one I made it, and second one from the similar stitch, and then 3rd double crochet from the 8th stitch. And now I will go through next 7 double crochet. From each of the stitch I will make 1 double crochet, and from the 8th double crochet I will make 3 double crochet. Increases will come to the same way. With that way I will go till the end. So let's meet at the end. I came end of the row, and now I will stitch it. And now for making it safe, I will yarn over and pull through a loop from the last loop and cut the wool. So I can also pull the wool. Now my leg warmer is ready. I will make similar leg warmer for my other leg. So what I want to do is, for adjusting it, I want to make a long tail, bring it inside of this one, so that if it will be a little bit big or small, I can adjust the size. I will get my white yarn. I will make a slip knot with the white yarn and make 90 chain totally. I made my 90 chain, and what I will do is I will make a slip stitch. So I will skip the first chain and go through the second one and insert my hook, yarn over and pull through a loop, and then pull through the last loop from the previous one. Till the end I will use this slip stitch way. So I will insert my hook and then pull through the loop from the previous one. I will insert my hook, pull through a loop, and pull through that one from the previous one. This is the slip stitching, and I will go till the end. I came to the last chain, and now I will make my last slip stitch, and now I will yarn over and pull through a loop from this last chain. I finished the long tail and now I will cut it. For making it more safe, I will also make a knot. So it's ready. Now what I will do is I will get my leg warmer. I will bring the long tail in between these double crochets. I will start putting inside. I choose it randomly and then I will skip 2 double crochet, and right now from inside I will bring it out. This long tail. The tail is outside. I will bring it from outside to the inside again. Every time I will skip 2 double crochet. And then I will skip 2 double crochet and from inside I will bring it out. I will go through this way. If the tail is out, then I will bring it from out to in. And I will go through this way till here. And do you see it has a belt look? Let's continue till the end. And now I want to bring out also this part so that I can adjust them together. What I will do is I will last time bring it out. And here is my leg warmer is ready. And you can adjust it easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm looking forward to see your versions of leg warmers. Please don't forget to tag me or send me a picture if you make one. See you in the next video.